Hello, today we have video number 12. It is called Definitions of Truth. I start from a lecture by Andrei Baumeister with title, What is Truth? Introduction. It was recorded in October 2019. In this lecture, Andrei Baumeister gives us 5 definitions of truth. What is truth? 5 versions we have here. 1. It is effectiveness and success. 2. It is about coherence and self-consistency. 3. It is about compliance with reality. 4. It is about consensus and community support. 5. It is about obviousness. I see here states from video number 11. Again, once more again. Effectiveness and success is about state 1. It's about tricks and techniques. And coherence and self-consistency is about model and knowledge on state number 2 when we look at model itself. Compliance to reality, it is about model and it is about relationships between model and reality. Consensus and community support is about images and values, state number 3. Obviousness is about state number 4 and language revising. Conclusions. Our description of problem-solving process is in good coherence with truth definitions list of Andrei Baumeister. As in video number 10, you can consider list of Baumeister as an empirical law and list of epi-states as theoretical law, and you can see my reasoning as a logical derivation of empirical law from theoretical law as in Newton-Kepler case. This logical derivation is possible in humanities, not in science only. In the few next videos, we will try to derive levels logically from some more fundamental theory as in Newton-Kepler case. But before that, we take some time to discuss epi-states both in small cases, real-life events, and in big cases. That's it. Bye-bye.